Hello, I am Antonio, the creator of this course, Android from beginner to professional. It doesn't matter the level that you have with programming or Android, we will take you from beginner to professional step by step. I started with no Android knowledge at all. I bought a book and I started doing little games on my free time, uploading them to Google Play Store, just trying to make some money with them. And I ended up doing more and more applications every time until I got my first Android job, and since then I have been developing for 4 years full time, doing applications from startups to big telecom companies. I will transfer you all the knowledge that I have learned during this time through this course. Let me answer this question. Why Android? Let's take a look at the evolution of Android since 2008. As you can see, the change is dramatic in such a short period of time. This is how we are now. As you can see, Android is the most popular since 2013. The future looks even better. We have Android Auto for cars, we have Android Wear, the Android Watch, we have even drones driven by Android. It has never been easier to develop a product that you can upload and present to millions of people without spending any penny of investment. Now is the time to become a developer. There are more companies wanting applications than developers providing them. Let's take a look at the market. At the moment, you can see that a junior position, for example in London, is getting paid like £25,000 to £35,000 per year. It's not bad at all. But if you look at the senior position, the thing that you can achieve in a bit more years of work, they can go up to £75,000. That is crazy. But it doesn't finish. If you become an expert and you start doing Android contracts, you are getting paid per day from something like £400. That in dollars is $700 per day. The market at the moment is just really good. So now let's see how this course will work. This course is based on learn by doing. I don't want you to just sit and watch the videos. You want to remember very much. Instead, you will be copying my action while I explain why and how, and then I will send you a small exercise to complete. These are examples of the simple diagrams that we use on this course to explain how things works. We will be progressing doing apps more complex each time. At the moment, we have a very basic example where you can use a button and share your problems, and then we continue with a game called Android, a variation of the classic Hangman. And finally, I want to say that this is an open content course. I will be adding application and lessons. I am open to suggestions, and if there is any problem with the videos, if you don't understand anything, if I am going too fast, just leave feedback and we will work more on them. I hope you enjoy it.